Hello. So today we will start with the exercise 2.3 of your NCERT textbook. And in that first question, what is that? Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find quotient and remainder in each of the following. So this is your first question that we had stated already in the previous example, but now let us see again few more sums of your NCERT textbook of exercise 2.3. In that we will start with the first one, then we will do second, and then we will do the third one. No sums are in homework right now. For homework you will get extra sums, but these sums of textbook that I will only do in the board. So let us start with the first sum. You have to divide p of x by g of x. So p of x will come inside x cube minus 3x square. Your first sum plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. Now here, see one thing. I told you before, all the terms should be in order. It means in decreasing order. Yes, here the terms are in decreasing order only. First term is of power 3, second term is of power 2, third term is of power 1, and the fourth term is constant term. But here, the terms are in decreasing order. That is x square minus 2. Terms to order nahi hai. First term is of power 2 and second term is a constant term. Now here you can see that one term is missing. Which term is missing? The term having the power 1. This also we had studied in the previous videos. So here you have to put the missing term like this. x वाला term जो है वो missing है, इसके जैसा ये नहीं. Understood? So the term missing you have to put. जो कोई भी term जो है वो missing है वहाँ पे put करना है. So here we will put the missing term, and what we will write here? Without that you cannot do the division. इसके बिना division करना नामुमकिन नहीं है. I am not telling that it is not possible, but it will be somewhat hard for you. So we are making it easy by putting the missing term. So x square plus 0x. We will put here 0x. 0x is a new term. 0x लिखने से there will be no change in the question, because 0 multiplied by anything, answer will be 0 only. You know only. So anything added or subtracted with 0, answer will be same only. Suppose 5 plus 0, answer will be 5 only. Or 5 minus 0, answer will be 5 only. In the same way, here if we add 0x or subtract 0x, there will be no change in the question. But for our simplicity, for making it easy, we are adding the missing term. Missing term is 0x. It means the power having 1. Minus 2. Constant term तो लिखना ही है. Minus 2. Understood? So now let us start dividing. We will divide first term with first term, that is x cube divided by x square. If you divide x cube by x square, now every time there is no need of division. If you need it, then you can do in your notebook. X cube, x into x into x divided by x square, x into x. This both x will cancel out. What is remaining? Only x. Whatever is remaining, that we will write in the question. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. So here I am writing x. After writing x here, we will start multiplying all the three terms with x. So x square multiply with x. X cube, both are positive. So here also plus. 0 multiply. If nothing is there, here it will be 1. 0 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? Yes, correct. 0. 0 multiplied by 0. 0. X multiplied by x. So x square. minus plus minus 2 into x, so 2x. Now we will change the sign of all the three terms. Here signs are changed. Now let us perform addition subtraction. You know only first term will always cancel in all the sum. Now there is no importance of this zero term. As I have told you before, there is no importance of zero. There is no importance of this zero term, whether it is a minus or plus. We will directly write whatever here. यहाँ पे क्या है, minus 3x square है. Here minus 3x square is there, so we will directly copy down this. There is no importance of minus 0 or plus 0 with minus 3. minus 3x square के साथ आप कुछ भी करो, plus 0 या minus 0 कर दो, there will be no importance of that. So here I am writing down minus 3x square plus it means plus. You have to add plus. Add 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 it means 7x, and minus 3 will come downside. Now you have to divide first term with first term. So minus 3x square divided with x square. What will be the answer? Minus 3x square divided by x square. X square cancel. Minus 3 is your answer. So we will write here minus 3 in the question. Now we will start multiplying all the three terms with the minus 3. So x square multiplied with minus 3, so it will be minus 3x square plus minus x square into 3, 3x square plus minus 0 into 3. It means 0x. There is no importance of 0. Minus plus 2 3s are 6. Understood? Change the sign, plus and minus. After changing sign, we have to always cancel the first term. So first term is cancelled, and also there is no importance of the zero term. First term is cancelled and there is no importance of the zero term. So we will perform our addition subtraction and we will write the answer. Plus 7x we will directly copy down. So I am just writing 7x minus 3 minus 6. You know only what will be the answer of minus 3 minus 6. Minus add. It means you have to add the numbers. Minus plus, it means you have to add the number. So 3 plus 6, 9. And the bigger digit is 6. And its sign is not plus. Its sign is minus. We have to consider the sign of 6 minus, not plus. So the sign of 6 is minus. Here also minus sign will come, and these are the required answers of question and remainder. So at last we will write that q of x is equals to x minus 3, and r of x, it means remainder, is 7x minus 9. So this is your answer. Understood? Copy down it in your notebook. Now we will start our second sum. आता है ना सबको ये समझ में कि नहीं आता है? थोड़ा बहुत हार्ड है, डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन पहले ही बोला था कि ये सारे सम्स हैं वो आपको स्लोली करना है. मेरे जैसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन सब कुछ बोलते जाना है, एंड यू हैव टू डू द सम्स. और ना समझ में आए तो वीडियो एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार देखो. सेकंड सम p of x क्या है? x raised to 4 minus, okay, see here, x raised to 4. now 4 के बाद कौन सा टर्म आना चाहिए? इट मींस 4 पावर वाला जो टर्म है उसके बाद कौन सा टर्म आना चाहिए? 3 पावर वाला आना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे है नहीं 3 पावर वाला टर्म. so we will insert that term. so what we will write there? plus 0x cube. Understood? After the term of 4 power, third power term will come. So here I have written plus 0x cube. 2 power wala the term hai, so copy down that minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, you have to divide with, इसके साथ डिवाइड करना है x square plus 1 minus x. Now see, here all the terms are present. First term is of 2 power, highest power is 2. Second term जो है वो constant term है, and third term जो है वो सिर्फ 1 power वाला है. So यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? Arrangement properly नहीं दिया है. All the terms are given, but the arrangement is not proper. So we will write according to the proper arrangement. What will be the proper arrangement? X square. After x square, what will come? Minus x. With sign minus x will come forward, and afterwards plus 1. Understood? So now let us start dividing. समझ में आ गया ये? यहाँ पे हमने 0x cube इंसर्ट किया क्योंकि 3 पावर वाला टर्म नहीं था, और यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट किया है according to our law. Understood? According to our method. जो कुछ भी आप बोलो कि टर्म्स जो है वो प्रॉपर्ली अरेंज होने चाहिए according to the powers. So here we will start dividing x raised to 4 with x square. So x raised to 4, it means 4 times multiplication of x. You have to divide with x 2 times. X square means x multiplied by x. 2x will cancel. What is your answer? X square. Whatever the answer is there, that we will write in numerator in question. Now we will start multiplying all the 3 terms with x square. So x square multiplied by x square. X raised to 4, it is positive, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, x into x square. X into x square. What is the answer? Yes, x cube. Plus plus plus, 1 into x square. So I am writing only x square. You have to understand that here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Now we will change the sign, minus, plus and minus. Let us perform addition and subtraction. As we know that the first term will always cancel. There is no importance of this term. 0x cube का कोई importance है नहीं. So we will directly copy down this with the change this sign. X cube हम put करेंगे, तो minus x cube नहीं put करेंगे. क्या put करेंगे? Plus x cube, because now its sign is changed. So here we will put plus x cube. Minus and minus, both are minus, so we have to add 3 plus 1. Answer is 4x square, and bigger term sign. Bigger term is 3 and its sign is minus. So here also we will put minus. From upside, 4x will come downside. 4x will copy down here. 1 by 1 terms will come downside. So now we will divide again x cube with x square. x cube को हमें x square के साथ डिवाइड करना है, तो क्या आएगा? x cube divided by x square. x cancel, so only one x is remaining. It means we will write here plus x. Okay, after writing in question, we will start multiplying all the 3 terms with this x. So x square multiplied with x, it will be plus x cube minus plus minus x into x. So x square plus 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 1 into x, it means only x. Change the sign, minus plus minus. Understood? We all know that the first term will always cancel. Now let us perform addition and subtraction. Minus 4 plus 1. If nothing is there, we will understand here 1. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 का आंसर क्या आएगा? Minus 3x square आएगा. Why minus? Because 4 is greater and its sign is minus. So here also minus sign will come. 4 minus 1 3 and the sign of bigger term. So minus 3x square plus minus मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करना है तो प्लस माइनस माइनस आएगा. प्लस माइनस इट मींस यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट. So 4 minus 1 answer is 3x and bigger term sign. Bigger is 4 and its sign is plus. So here also plus will come. And plus 5 will copy down here. So here I am writing plus 5. Again we will start dividing minus 3x square with x square. Simple only. Minus 3x square divided by x square. X square cancel. Minus 3 is remaining. That we will write here in the numerator. Minus 3. Now we will start multiplying all these three terms with minus 3. So x square multiplied with minus 3, it will be minus 3x square minus minus plus x into 3. It means 3x plus minus minus 1 3s are 3. Understood? Change the sign. Plus minus and plus. Let us do addition and subtraction. First term will always cancel. Minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel हो जाएगा, 0 आ जाएगा. Now here see second term is also cancelling. Plus 3x minus 3x 0 आ जाएगा, so cancel it. Plus 3x minus 3x, so it will be cancelled. And plus 5 and plus 3. Plus 5 plus 3, it means add. Answer is plus 8. Right? 5 plus 3 answer is 8. And we got our quotient and remainder, so we will write here. So therefore q of x is x square plus x minus 3 and r of x is 8. So these are our required answer. Understood? Again, you know only you have to copy down this sum in your notebook. Now we will start with our third sum. समझ में आता है ना? है मुझे भी मालूम है थोड़ा बहुत हार्ड है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस तो करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ये तो जो है वो हम इजी कह सकते हैं दूसरे सम्स के हिसाब से. इट मींस दूसरे चैप्टर्स के जो सम है उसके हिसाब से तो ये कुछ भी नहीं है. तुमको मालूम ही है एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स के सम कैसे थे, तो वो चैप्टर अभी 10th में भी आता है. ठीक है, तो उसके सम्स तो इससे भी बहुत सारे हार्ड हो गए, तो क्या करोगे? प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. आपने तो सुना ही होगा, प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ आते जाएंगे सारे सम. सो नाउ थर्ड सम, x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6. कुछ प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6. मुझे तो भाई इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम दिखाई दे रहा है. तुमको कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्वेश्चन में? यस, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? द टर्म्स आर मिसिंग. So which are the terms missing? जो कोई भी terms missing है that we will put by inserting 0. So first term we will write x raised to 4, then afterwards plus 0x cube. और 2 पावर वाला टर्म भी नहीं है, so we will write it 0x square. 1 पावर वाला टर्म है minus 5x plus 6. Understood? Okay, now you have to divide it with 2 minus x square. Oh, इसमें भी मुझे तो प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है. एक नहीं दो प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है. There are 2 problems here in g of x. The question is right only. There is not any mistake in question. I am telling something, problem is there. कुछ लोचा है ना इसमें. Okay, so क्या लोचा है? 2 minus x square. So the problem is the terms are missing as well as not arranged. some terms are missing and the terms are not arranged also, so we have to do both the things. अरेंज भी करते जाना है और जो कोई भी टर्म मिसिंग है वो भी करते जाना है. तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, x स्क्वायर रहेगा, but the sign of x square is minus, so what we will write first, minus x square. समझ में आया? This is your third sum, minus x square. सेकंड टर्म क्या है, x स्क्वायर के बाद x वाला, that is not there, so we will insert by putting plus 0x. And constant term दिया है 2, but 2 कौन सा है, nothing is there, then the which sign will be there, plus, so here I will write plus 2. Understood? Minus x square plus 0x plus 2. This thing you have to divide with this thing. So let us start our division. समझ में आया? Here the problem was there of missing term, here there were two problems. One problem was of missing term and second of its order. So we had removed all the problems this side and this side. दोनों साइड सारे problems remove हो गए. Now we have to simply divide it. Okay, let us start dividing. X raised to 4 divided by minus x square. Be careful here, minus x square is there. So x raised to 4, it means 4 times x. You have to divide with x square, so 2 times x. 2x will cancel. Here minus x square is there, so I have put it here minus sign. इसके पहले भी इसके जैसे सम आ गया है, एक आ गया था इसके पहले. ये माइनस साइन कहाँ चला जाएगा? Where this minus sign will go? This minus sign will jump to the numerator. Okay, so what will be your answer in question? Minus sign will go in numerator and x into x, it means minus x square. Understood? Minus x square. Now you have to start multiplying all these three terms with minus x square. So first of all, minus minus plus x square into x square, it will be x raised to 4 plus minus minus 0. Nothing is there, so here it will be 1, 0 into 1, it means 0, x into x square, x cube plus minus minus 2 into x square, so 2x square. Understood? Again second time, minus minus plus x square into x square, x raised to 4 plus minus minus 0 into 1, it means 0, x into x square, x cube plus minus minus 2 into x square, 2x square. Change the sign, minus plus and minus का हो जाएगा plus. First term always cancel and there is no importance of 0. First term always cancel, there is no importance of this 0, there is no importance of this 0. There is no importance of this 0. 3 zeros are there. कुछ importance ही नहीं, तो यहाँ पे कुछ लिखना ही नहीं है, because plus 0 plus 0. 0 में आप 0 ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा. So ये टर्म भी in short cancel हो जाएगा. Understood? ये टर्म का कुछ importance है नहीं, तो बचा क्या? Plus 2x square बचा. So that we will copy down as it is, plus 2x square. Understood? माइनस साइन अब तो चेंज हो गई है, प्लस हो गई है, सो 2x स्क्वायर की साइन क्या आएगी? प्लस आएगी ना. सो देयरफॉर आई हैव रिटन हियर प्लस 2x स्क्वायर. minus 5x will come down side. Now here constant term is there, so here we will put constant term also, because यहाँ पे constant term है और यहाँ पे constant term होना ही चाहिए. And second method, here there are 3 terms. मान लो कि आप एक ही टर्म को नीचे पुट करते हो तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 टर्म ही आ जाएंगे, यहाँ पे 3 टर्म्स, यहाँ पे 2 टर्म्स. इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल टू डू लाइक दिस. जितने टर्म्स यहाँ पे है उतने टर्म्स यहाँ पे होने चाहिए. इफ देयर आर 3 टर्म्स here also there should be 3 terms only. So here I have put minus 5x and plus 6, so that number of terms inside division जिसके साथ डिवाइड करना है दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे। अंडरस्टूड? सो नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट डिवाइड। प्लस 2x स्क्वायर का डिवीजन किसके साथ करना है? माइनस x स्क्वायर के साथ, करेक्ट। सो प्लस 2x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड विथ माइनस x स्क्वायर. X square and x square will cancel. In numerator it is plus 2 and in denominator it is only minus. This minus sign will jump and will go to the numerator, and what will be the final answer? Minus 2. Understood? What will be the final answer of division? Minus 2. And this answer we will put here in the question. So here I will put minus 2. समझ में आता है? माइनस 2 कैसे आया? प्लस 2x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया. माइनस साइन विल जंप टू द न्यूमरेटर. माइनस साइन विल जंप टू द न्यूमरेटर. यहाँ पे प्लस है तो उसका कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है. प्लस विल रिमूव एंड आंसर विल बी माइनस 2. जैसे आपने यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं था तो प्लस ही था और हमने पुट नहीं किया x into x square, but minus sign कहाँ चली गई? न्यूमरेटर में. So it will become minus x square. In the same way here also minus sign will go to the numerator and it will become minus 2. So after putting minus 2 we will start multiplying all these three terms with minus 2. Minus x square multiply with minus 2. First of all minus plus x square into 2. So it means 2x square plus minus 0x into 2. 0x into 2. First of all numbers are multiplied. 0 into 2. 0. X. Anything multiplied with 0, answer is 0 only. Plus minus. 2 2s are 4. Let us change the sign. Minus plus. Now we will cancel first term. First term always cancel. So first term cancel. There is no importance of the 0x. So minus 5x will copy down directly. Minus 5x. Plus 6 plus 4. It means you have to add both the numbers. 6 plus 4. Answer is 10. Correct. So minus 5x plus 10. Now here x square term is there. And here x term is there. Division is not possible. अब माइनस 5x का x स्क्वायर के साथ डिवीजन तो कर नहीं सकते. डिनोमिनेटर में x आएगा. So that is not possible and these are your required answers. So q of x, it means question is minus x square minus 2 and remainder is r of x is minus 5x plus 10. Answer. Understood? Hope so you had understood all the three questions. Copy down this answer, all the three answers in your notebook. Now we will start with the second question of your NCERT textbook exercise 2.3. Okay, so let us start with our second question of NCERT textbook exercise 2.3. Check whether, yes, pay attention here, what is written? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Now what is the meaning of this factor? Factor means properly divide होता है कि नहीं? You know only what is the meaning of factor that you had studied in lower standard. 5th 6th में आता है factor. Suppose if I say that 3 is a factor of 6, then it is correct. Why? Because 6 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and remainder is 0. Remainder क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. If the remainder is 0, then we can say that it is a factor. I cannot say that the 4 is a factor of 6. I cannot say that the 4 is a factor of 6 because 6 is not divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 and the remainder is 2. Remainder is coming, whatever it may be. Remainder कुछ भी आता हो. Whatever may be the remainder, if anything is coming in remainder, then it is not a factor. If 0 is coming in remainder, then we can say that the 3 is a factor of 6. I can also say that the 2 is a factor of 6 because 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Answer is 0. I can also say that the 6 is a factor of 6 because 6 1 is 6. Answer is 0. I can also say that the 1 is a factor of 6 because 1 6 is 6. Answer is 0. So these are called the factors of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. But 4 is not called a factor of 6 because the remainder is not coming 0. Understood now what is the meaning of factor? So you have to check that whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial or not. How to check? Compulsory उसने बोला है by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. सेकंड पोलिनोमियल को फर्स्ट के साथ डिवाइड करना है. सेकंड पोलिनोमियल को फर्स्ट के साथ डिवाइड करना है. ये आपका फर्स्ट है, कॉमा करके जो नीचे लिखा है. In all the three sums, it is your second polynomial, and the first one is written is your first polynomial. And here, this second sum is of homework because in this second sum there is not any problem. कुछ problem नहीं है. Everything is given. See, all the terms are given. The term of 2 power, the term of 1 power, and constant term. Here also the term of 4 power, term of 3 power, term of 2 power, 1 power, and constant term. So all the terms are given and all the terms are properly arranged. You have to just simply divide this term by this term. This will come inside and this will come outside. But in first and third sum there are some problems. As usual, problem वाले सारे सम मुझे ही करने पड़ते हैं. Because no student is taking the responsibility that sum I will do. No matter क्या करें, एग्जाम में तो तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा. और मैं जो होमवर्क में जो एक्स्ट्रा सम्स दूंगा उसमें भी सारे सम ऐसे नहीं दूंगा, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम वाले दूंगा. You all know about me. Next, let us start with our first sum. T square minus 2. That will come outside and this will come inside. So let us start with the first sum. Then we will do third sum. 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay. Here inside there is no problem. All the terms are properly arranged and no terms are missing also. But while writing outside t square minus 2, is it correct? T square minus 2. ऐसे ही मैं t square minus 2 लिख डालूं? No. Here the terms are missing. Which term is missing? 2 power term is there. 1 power वाला जो term है वो missing है. So I will write here plus 0t, and then after I will write this constant term, that is minus 2. Understood? Now we will start dividing. 2t raised to 4 divided by t square. Okay, so 2 t raised to 4, it means t 4 times. 3 4 divided by t square, so t 2 times. 2t will be cancelled. 2 into t into t. 2 into t into t, it means 2t square. So here I will write here 2t square. After writing 2t square, you all know you have to start multiplying all these three terms with 2t square. So t square multiplied with 2t square. So first of all plus 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 2t raised to 4 will come plus 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 0 multiplied by 2. So here it will be 0. T into t square. So here it will be t cube. Minus plus minus 2 into 2t square, so it means 4t square. Minus plus minus 2 2s are 4t square. Change the sign, minus minus plus. First term always cancel. First term always cancel, and there is no importance of this 0. So we will directly copy down plus 3t cube here. plus 3t cube minus 2 plus 4. Addition subtraction. Minus 2 plus 4. What will be the answer? 4 minus 2 का आंसर क्या आता है? 2 and bigger term sign. 4 is bigger term and its sign is plus. So here also I will put plus and minus 9t will come downside. So minus 9t. Here also 3 terms. Here also 3 terms. So no need to put minus 12 here. Minus 12 यहाँ नहीं करना है. Next step में नीचे आएगा. So let us start dividing now. Plus 3t cube divided by t square. What will be the answer? Plus 3t cube. It means t 3 times divided by t square. So t 2 times. 2t will be cancelled. Plus 3 into t. It means plus 3t. So here also plus plus plus. Nothing is there. So 1 3s are 3. T square into t. It means t cube plus 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 0 into 3. So 0 t into t. T square minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 t minus plus minus 2 3s are 6t. Understood? First we will change the sign. Minus minus and plus. First term always cancel. First term always cancel because plus 3 minus 3 will become 0. Now there is no importance of this 0. So we will directly copy down plus 2 square plus 2t square plus 2t square minus 9 plus 6. Addition subtraction. Minus 9 plus 6 minus plus subtraction. या मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रूल यहाँ पे नहीं लगेगा. माइनस प्लस सब्सट्रैक्शन. 9 minus 6 हो जाएगा 3. बिगर टर्म साइन. बिगर is 9 and sign is minus. So I will put here minus. Minus 3t. And from upside minus 12 will come here. So minus 12. Plus 2t square minus 3t minus 12. डिवाइड करना है किसके साथ? t square plus 0t minus 2 के साथ. So first of all we will divide first term only and we'll write the answer in question. So plus 2t square divided by t square plus 2t square divided by t square cancel. Plus 2 that we have to write here in numerator. So plus 2. Understood? Now start multiplying. T square multiply with plus 2. So plus 2t square plus 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 0 2s are 0 into t minus plus minus 2 2s are 4. Change the sign. Minus minus and plus. So here first term will always cancel as well as there is no importance of this 0 term. So we will copy down this minus 3t downside. So minus 3t minus 12 plus 4 minus 12 plus 4. 12 is bigger and its sign is minus. So first of all minus will come and 12 minus 4 answer is 8. So we got our required answers that q of t. यहाँ पे q of t आएगा. q of x नहीं आएगा. Right? Because the polynomial is in the term of t. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल t है. So q of t का क्या आंसर आया? 2t square plus 3t plus 2 and r of t का आंसर minus 3t minus 8. Minus 3t minus 8. These are your required answers. Understood? अब इतने सारे सम्स में प्रॉब्लम वाले करवाता हूं तो होमवर्क में जो प्रॉब्लम्स वाले सम दूंगा, प्रॉब्लम्स वाले मींस ये लोचा वाले, तो आ जाएगा ना आपको. Understood? So again you have to copy down this sum in your notebook. तो भाई देख लेना टेक्स्ट बुक तो आपके पास होगी या नहीं होगी, लेकिन मोबाइल की एप्लीकेशन में आप एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक प्ले स्टोर में जाओगे तो वो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लेना और उसमें से टेक्स्ट बुक जो है वो आपको मिल जाएगी, गूगल में भी मिल जाएगी पीडीएफ फाइल। तो देख लेना सारे आंसर्स जो आते हैं वो सही आते हैं ना, कहीं पे भी मिस्टेक हो तो मुझे बोल देना कि भाई हियर देयर इज अ मिस्टेक ऑफ योर्स, बिकॉज़ आई एम आल्सो अ ह्यूमन, मिस्टेक तो सबसे होती है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द थर्ड सम। यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस टर्म विद दिस। ओके, फर्स्ट टर्म इज x रेज़ टू 5, सो यहां पे क्या आएगा x रेज़ टू 5। 5 पावर वाला टर्म है, उसके बाद कौन सा टर्म है 3 पावर वाला। प्रॉब्लम है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, 4 पावर वाला टर्म नहीं है। सो हियर आई विल इंसर्ट द टर्म having the power 4, so 0x raised to 4, 3 पावर वाला टर्म है, so minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. You have to divide this thing with x cube minus 3x plus 1. Again, here also there is some problem. Understood which problem? What problem is there? क्या प्रॉब्लम है, 3 पावर वाला टर्म और फिर बाद में 1 पावर वाला टर्म, तो 2 पावर वाला टर्म मिसिंग है। तो हियर वी विल पुट दैट टर्म x cube plus 0x square, x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 1। अंडरस्टूड, ये प्रॉब्लम था वो हमने सॉल्व कर दिया, यहाँ पे भी ये प्रॉब्लम था हमने सॉल्व कर दिया। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट आवर डिवीजन। x raised to 5 divided by x cube. Now I'm not dividing this terms. x raised to 5 divided by x cube. अपने आप कर लो, क्या आंसर आएगा, न्यूमरेटर में x 5 टाइम्स, डिनोमिनेटर में x 3 टाइम्स, तो डिनोमिनेटर 3 वाला है वो न्यूमरेटर के 3 वाले के साथ कट हो जाएगा, तो न्यूमरेटर में 2x बचेंगे। So here I am writing x square. 2x means x into x. X square is your answer if you divide x raised to 5 divided by x cube. After writing answer here, we will multiply all these 4 terms with x square. So first of all x cube multiply with x square. So x raised to 5, both are positive, so plus. Plus plus plus. 0 multiply with 1, so 0. X square multiply x square, so x raised to 4. Minus plus minus. 3 ones are 3, x into x square, x cube. 3 ones are 3, x into x square, x cube, plus 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 1 into x square, 1x square. No need to write this one, so simply write x square only, x square. Change the sign, minus minus plus minus. So now addition subtraction, first term always cancel, there is no importance of 0, and also these both terms are 0 only, so plus 0 minus 0 तो cancel हो जाएगा। And next minus 4x cube and plus 3x square, 3x cube, minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 में plus 3 करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा, minus 1। No need to write 1, just simply write minus x cube plus minus, okay, see here, plus x square and minus x square, plus nothing is there, so plus 1x square and minus 1x square, क्या हो जाएगा, plus 1x square और minus 1x square क्या होगा, कट हो जाएगा ना। So here we will cut down, and if we are cutting down, then we will write here plus 0x square. Why? Because 1 में से 1 चला जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा, 0 बचेगा। ओके, चलो अभी हम नहीं लिखते, मैं आपको प्रॉब्लम बाद में आता है मैं आपको समझाता हूँ। नाउ सो यहाँ पे कुछ लिखते नहीं है, स्पेस थोड़ा रख देते हैं। प्लस 3x will come down side. Here how many terms are there? 4. So obviously यहाँ पे भी 4 terms होने चाहिए. So plus 1 will also come down. So here I am putting plus 1 down here. Now see here, 3 terms are only there. And second problem, terms are missing. 3 पावर के बाद 2 पावर वाला टर्म आना ही चाहिए, तभी डिवीजन होगा, वरना तो होगा नहीं। 1 पावर वाला टर्म है, कांस्टेंट पावर वाला है, तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली 2 पावर वाला टर्म आना चाहिए। तो क्या आएगा 0x²। अब आया समझ में? कट कर दो, बट लिखना पड़ेगा प्लस 0x²। यहाँ पे नहीं लिखो तो चलेगा, क्योंकि इसके पहले के टर्म्स बीच में कट होता हो तो लिखना पड़ेगा 0x²। 0 वाला टर्म दो टर्म्स के बीच में लिखना पड़ेगा, पहले या बाद में। बिफोर एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू राइट द टर्म्स ऑफ दिस 0। अंडरस्टूड? सो नाउ वी विल डिवाइड -x³ with x³। Very simple, x³ divided by x minus x³. So this will cancel, x³ will cancel, 1 and this minus sign will go to numerator, so it will come -1. ये -1 कहाँ पे लिखना है? In the question. So here I am writing -1. Understood? Now we will multiply all these four terms with -1. So first of all plus minus minus x³ 1 x³ plus minus minus 0 1 0x² minus minus plus 3x into 1 3x into 1, तो क्या आएगा? 3x ही आएगा, प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस 1 1 1. Understood? Again let us do it second time. Plus minus minus x³ plus minus minus 0x² minus minus plus 3x into 1 3x plus minus minus 1 1 1. You have to change the sign, plus plus minus plus. Over. Now cancel. First term always cancel, second term also cancel, 0 0. थर्ड टर्म में यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, प्लस 3x माइनस 3x. नाउ हियर प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 कैंसिल नहीं होगा ना, सो प्लस 1 प्लस 1. व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर ऑफ प्लस 1 प्लस 1? 1 प्लस 1 इट मींस plus 2. So this is your question and this is your remainder. So therefore q of x is x² minus 1 and r of x is plus 2. It means only 2. Now one more thing. इसके पहले के सम में, फर्स्ट सम में, ये सम जो हमने किया था थोड़ी देर पहले, उसमें मैं लास्ट लाइन लिखना भूल गया था, तो वो लाइन आपको लिख डालनी है वहां पे फर्स्ट में, और यहाँ पे भी लिख डालनी है थर्ड में. सेकंड आप जब होमवर्क करोगे जो आंसर आएगा उसके बेस वो लाइन रहेगी. अब वो लाइन क्या लिखनी है? आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है कि चेक वेदर द फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट. अंडरस्टूड? तो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकंड का फैक्टर है कि नहीं वो आपको चेक करना है. तो यहाँ पे पॉलिनोमियल फैक्टर है कि नहीं है, ये इसका फैक्टर है कि नहीं है? नहीं है. व्हाई? रिमाइंडर इज नॉट कमिंग 0. रिमाइंडर क्या आता है? +2. इसके पहले के सम में भी हमने ये सम किया था, उसमें भी मुझे याद है कि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता था. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर आल्सो द रिमाइंडर इज नॉट कमिंग 0. सो हियर आल्सो द रिमाइंडर इज नॉट कमिंग 0. अब आप होमवर्क वाला सम करोगे उसमें 0 आता है तो आपको यस लिखना है कि यस इट इज अ फैक्टर, और 0 नहीं आता तो आपको क्या लिखना है? नो इट इज नॉट अ फैक्टर. सो सिंपली यहाँ पे एक लाइन आपको लिख डालनी है, दैट क्या लिखना होगा? देयरफॉर चेक वेदर द फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट. सो यहाँ पे लिख डालना होगा, सो देयरफॉर फर्स्ट polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. फर्स्ट सम में भी आपको यही लाइन लिखनी है, because in that also the answer of remainder was not 0. 0 के अलावा कुछ भी आता था, 0 नहीं यहाँ पे आता. And hence we are writing that first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. मान लो कि आप सेकंड सम होमवर्क में करते हो, यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 आता है, तो यू हैव टू राइट दैट फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल इज ए फैक्टर ऑफ सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल. सिंपल. फर्स्ट सम में ये लाइन लिख डालनी है. अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट सम में ये लाइन में लिखना भूल गया था, बट नाउ आई हैड रिमेंबर्ड एंड यू आल्सो हैव टू राइट दिस लाइन इन द फर्स्ट सम बिकॉज़ क्वेश्चन में वही पूछा गया है. क्वेश्चन तो रिमाइंडर फाइंड करने के लिए नहीं पूछा है, हमने तो फाइंड किया, फाइंड करना ही था. डिवाइडिंग बोला है तो क्वेश्चन तो रिमाइंडर तो आएगा, बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिमाइंडर, on the basis of reminder you have to write the statement that whether it is a factor or not. Understood? So this is your second question of NCERT textbook exercise 2.3. Now before starting the third question we have to do few sums. One sum from your NCERT textbook example and one sum I will take of my own. एक सम टेक्स्ट बुक का एग्जांपल जो है वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे और दूसरा जो है वो मैं अपनी तरफ से कहीं से अभी आपको समझाऊंगा. सो दो सम्स करेंगे, फिर बाद में ये 2.3 का जो थर्ड सम है वो हम करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट सम इज टू मच इंपॉर्टेंट. पूरे चैप्टर में वो आप कर डालो तो आपको जो है वो पक्का मोस्टली दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन will ask, because that is somewhat hard also and so much of important, because 8 मार्क्स का चैप्टर का वेटेज है तो 4 मार्क्स में या 3 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे तो वो बड़ा वाला ही पूछेंगे ऑब्वियसली. 3 मार्क्स या 4 मार्क्स में तो कुछ एक या दो सम्स तो होंगे, एक सम तो होगा ही, तो वो बड़ा वाला ही होगा. एंड दैट सम इज लिटिल बिट लेंथी कंपेयर्ड टू ऑल दिस सम्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल प्रैक्टिस दैट टाइप ऑफ सम. एनसीईआरटी फोल्डर करने से पहले हम दो सम्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और फिर बाद में वो थर्ड सम करेंगे. एंड यू विल आल्सो गेट सम होमवर्क, सम सम्स. ओके, लेट अस टेक द होमवर्क ऑफ 5 सम्स. दैट इज इनफ. सो आई विल गिव यू 5 सम्स इन होमवर्क एंड दैट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस 5 सम्स ऑफ डिवीजन. पहले आप डिवीजन प्रॉपर्ली सीख लो. तो मैं 5 सम आपको होमवर्क में देने जा रहा हूं, ठीक है, और 5 सम आपको मिल जाएंगे, उसकी पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी आपको. तो वो 5 सम जो है वो आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं. एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, आई थिंक इन द 7th पार्ट ऑफ आवर वीडियो, वी विल स्टार्ट दैट थर्ड क्वेश्चन. अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू.